everyone has been extremely welcoming. It has just been an unbelievable experience, and I know it's something that the guys and ourselves will never forget. So thank you for everything. We really appreciate it.
The University of Chicago Maroons, national champions of the NCAA Division III, just visited Brazil for a spring break.
Let's use this as an opportunity to learn how to fucking communicate through our challenges, all right? Let's go out there, have the right mentality, all right? Let's go show them, all right? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Together, boy. A lot of ways, guys. A lot of ways. Let's go.
Oh my. Oh my. Oh my.
First off, just wanted to thank GP and his entire crew for putting together like a truly unbelievable experience for us. I've actually been to the country before, had a good time, but not quite the experience that GP has given us through getting to several professional clubs, getting us to different areas of Brazil that people might not be able to explore. It's an absolutely beautiful country. The people here are beautiful as well, very welcoming to us, and we thank you guys so much for that. Every club we've been to, the utmost respect and professionalism, and we can't thank you guys enough. So, like you guys said, you got a big fan in Coach Mike, and he'll definitely be coming back to visit Brazil. Thank you guys. Obrigado.
soccer session for the Chicago Maroons at Copacabana Beach with the CR Flamengo program of beach soccer.
Coming to Brazil is something that any soccer player could dream of. It's, you know, the soccer country of the entire world. So much history, so much icons coming from this country. It's what they live for, it's their passion. To be able to come here, experience a little bit of that culture, experience, you know, how they live life, how they live football on the pitch, off the pitch, everywhere. It's just been an incredible journey, an incredible experience to be part of this. Just incredibly thankful.
Still undefeated.
Last game against Botafogo FR. It's been a long time preparing the tour, but hopefully we close with a good note. Everything is being successful, fun. We're just looking forward to a nice game and getting everybody back to Chicago.